Hi guys, Augusto here from Augusto Vlogs. Today we are in Liverpool, England, and we are going to visit the City Hall. It's just unbelievable. You are not even going to believe what you're going to see inside the beautiful City Hall in Liverpool. Right when we got over there was a little orchestra to receive us, and they were playing beautiful music. Then we went to the council chamber. Okay, this is a beautiful chamber with a lot of beautiful woodwork, a lot of details. But here is where the politicians they get together to decide what they are going to do to help the people of Liverpool.
Stand up. Thank you.
Hi guys, we are here in the dining room. We just finished eating. I didn't film, a lot during dinner because it's not polite, it's not cool. People want to eat their food in peace. These chandeliers are over 1 ton. Okay, they weigh over 1 ton. This is just exuberant. Beautiful, beautiful. It's just amazing. You look around and just sips into your, into your brain. Everything, gets. It's just so interesting to see all the details, all the beautiful things. We had the chance to meet the mayor of Liverpool. Thank you. Very beautiful.
You're very welcome.
Oops. Thank you. Very beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, so I'll be down there.
No, you just stand over there, and I can get my leg around there, like that.
There we go.